Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we want to talk about the introduction to circle properties. So let's have a circle. So this is our circle. It has a point in the middle, point O. If we have a line drawn from the circumference of the circle to the center of the circle, that line is called the radius. So line AO is radius. Okay. If we have a line from the circumference of the circle to the other side of the circle, passing through the center, the line is called the diameter. So let's call this line diameter. So line CE is equal to diameter. So the diameter cuts the circle into two equal parts. The diameter is twice the radius of the circle, okay, because it passes through the center all the way to the other side of the circumference. Now, if we have another line, line BF, notice that this line, it cuts the radius at point G. Okay, so this line that cuts the radius at point G is called the chord. The chord. So BF is the chord. Okay, so notice that this line, it cuts the radius at 90 degrees angle. So this angle here is 90 degrees. Whenever you have a chord and a radius bisecting each other, just know that there is a 90 degrees angle there. And the chord divides the circle into two segments. The minor segment, which is this one, and the other side, which is the major segment. This line is called the arc. This is the arc. From B through A to F, it's called the arc. Okay, now if we have, let me draw this line. It's coming from the circumference, cutting the radius to the other side. I said this line is a what? This line is a chord. It's a chord. Notice that if I extend it further down here, it will still cut the radius at 90 degrees. Okay, now if I try to move it further and draw it in such a way that it only touches the circle at one point, at point E, the line changes the name. It's called now the tangent. So this line is the tangent, and the tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Thank you so much for watching the video. Meet me in the next video, in which I will now be talking about the properties of a circle. Thank you so much. If you like the video,